welcome back. Go ahead and show you what I'm doing today. I got these skunk 2 ones, but they keep sliding forward. You can see there's just a gap behind it. I told them I wanted to weld it, but they were being scared, so I'm gonna go ahead and shove this all the way back, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and weld it shut right here. That way it can stop sliding forward. But yep, that's what I'm doing today. Kind of cleaned it up a little bit, so I'm gonna weld those together, the red and the gold part. Same thing with that side, and hopefully it sticks this time, because I'm tired of it sliding forward. It keeps rubbing a lot. So gotta roll the fenders a little bit more, but hopefully this will be permanent now. Alright, you can see, just welded it shut, this side too, because I'm pretty sure I'm never gonna fix this. I'll just tighten up the screws one last time, but other than that, it should not slide out now. Second side done. Yep. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere this time, so I'm just gonna tighten these up again. They're snug. I'll tighten them up one more time. Just water to the 3 places: the camber arm, the plate, the camber arm, and the top plate. So I'm pretty sure it won't break off this time. Welcome back. See, in the last clip, I welded the camber plates all the way to get the max camber out of it. So I was noticing when I'm driving, start kinda feel like something's hidden. Well, that was just because I'm super low, and then yeah, and I just think it was kept moving and sliding, so I just got tired of it. The tire shop didn't want to do it, so I was like, fuck it. But just do it at my work, so I did it. Next, I got some spacers for the rear. They're pretty thin. I think it was gonna be this thin, but I might just combine them and put them in the rear, pop the rear out just a tad bit. So once after work, I'll go ahead and do that, and probably give this guy a quick wash tonight too. Alright, see you guys after work. Alright, the spacers here, pretty thin like I said, so I might run 2 on the rear only. Quick look now how it is. Go ahead and slap these spacers on real quick. Alright, so this one's on. You can see a little tiny gap right there for 2 of them. You see the rim. And this one don't have it yet. So go ahead and put it on real quick. Alright, so this is the 2 I'm putting on. It's probably like 1/2 inch, I'll say it adds. Not too thick. Yep. Put this back on. Alright, now on the floor. So, kind of in, but it's better than before. Just a tad bit. This one as well. Yep. Alright, nice and clean. We'll go ahead and take off the yellow. It's been too long and I'm going for all clear look, so yellow got to go now. It's the only thing that kind of stands out besides my headlights. But it should come off pretty easy. This one actually, I think I did it off the car. So let me see if I can try to take this off. All gone, back to clear. I think it looks pretty good now. Kind of matches with everything. Yellow kind of threw it off. The only thing that's not really the same color is the red inside, but I don't know. That's a little bit of contrast. Walk around. Yep. Here above a pub, waiting for everyone to show up. Got Chris over here, and let me show you his rear lip in the daylight, because he never sent me a video.
Painted by Dimitri.
Yep, all painted and nice. Got this guy. I don't like how the tint looks. Kind of looks funky right now. Because it's dirty. Dawson here. Take it off. Just take it off. Just take it off.
Bro,
At this point.
I know I need to. But look at this, it's taking off my paint. I mean, it's already fucked up, but.
Take it. Oh, the clear coat. It is, huh?
Yeah. This is from for the rest of the year.
Yeah. That bling over here.
Looking over that exhaust tub, I just love how deep it is. It's not raspy.
Ooh. That's hella nice.
No.
He hasn't came yet. He's 10 minutes out.
Oh, okay.
Damn, that's dope.
You guys like it? Pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's
I
clean.
like
It's like
It's there's no bubbles. I mean, I
emptied my sticker because it fell off. Went with static this time. You already know. First person locally that has the Gerzy bumper. You get right there. And if you have any questions, let us know, because next video we'll answer some. But yeah, we're gonna get this painted. What are you gonna do with the grill part? You're gonna try to rock the carbon fiber or so, or just put your grill?
Nah, I'm gonna just put the
grill on.
We just gotta Dremel this insert here. So I guess you forgot to do that part, and then this one.
He forgot to do it?
I guess so, cause look, you see the indentations in here.
Oh wow. Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah, cause I tried fitting in the V just to like test it, and then I saw that I was all like, "What the hell?" I was all like, "I'm not gonna cut the grill."
It feels good. It don't feel like fiberglass.
I don't know. I feel like it didn't have it.
I don't know. We'll see when we like. Cause I see what you mean though. Like right here and stuff.
Yeah, cause it was pretty like, cause when I was like trying to fit this part in, you know, this part has like the little clip in, then the.
Yeah, had it pre-drilled already, or you had to drill it?
No, I had it pre-drilled. I tried to fit that in. I was pushing it in, and then it like I heard like, you know, like you kind of like hear it rub or whatever, like push.
Yeah.
And then that's when I looked and I saw this.
Dude, this thing is so beefy.
It's 4 inches from the floor, I think.
And it comes with the mounting holes on the bottom.
Yeah.
This feels strong.
Yeah, it does.
It don't feel like fiberglass really. Like literally, it feels like a metal bumper. This thing is freaking dope.
In the middle right there, it's only 4 inches.
Don't be surprised when I post a picture of it on mine just for test purposes.
I'll be, dude, yours would be probably like 2 inches or an inch off.
Here, just hear the whole front end, type S right there.
No.
He said no. See that? He's refusing mine. He's refusing it. Show you the Homiata for your front bumper. Will you do it?
Damn, that's actually kinda up there, but no, I can't.
All right. I was gonna do it anyway, but he turned down a whole car for his bumper.
People in the group were in that video like, that whole bumper is almost worth a Miata, goddamn.
Well, it's worth like half a Miata, but
Yeah.
still, how much you pay for it?
1,100.
We'll answer some quick questions real quick. So this is fiberglass. So you paid around 1,100, right? Or 1,200? Yeah. For $1,100, Gerzy makes this bumper. You only can find them on Facebook, right? And maybe Instagram? Instagram too?
Instagram probably the most active unless you hit up his actual Facebook.
Do you think these are meant for like the supercharge for the intercooler, make bigger opening? But I just think this looks so sick. Damn.
It looks good and it's not even painted.
It's very aggressive.
That does look mean.
Dude, that looks freaking aggressive. Let's see. How about rubbing issues like right here?
I didn't hear anything.
No? A little tired, but I think it's true.
But when I took off the old one, I did see like black in here, like this right here.
Yeah.
But I think it's from when this clips it, because remember we were having issues where it was touching the tire.
Yeah.
And it was off this right here. Because you can't roll it, because then that part will fuck up.
We can first.
I don't know. I don't know why it came out like that.
It's just because it's fiberglass and I want to have.
Would that show with the paint?
Oh no, it's because it's two-piece. So I guess they made this mold and they combined it. You see it? How there's like a line right here?
Mm-hmm.
Like they added on this little portion right here. Dude, this thing is so sturdy. Look at that. This thing is like freaking legit. It just cracks right here.
This carbon fiber one weighs like 3 ounces.
That thing was
light. This one's like 30 something, I think.
Dude. That looks so good. I was taking a bunch of shots of it. Damn. Yep. Alright, we're gonna take it off finally. Bumper's off. I'm gonna try to test fit it real quick because I'm a butthurt for it. Because you don't want to trade me a Miata for it, you know? It's kind of dark. We'll be test fitting on mine. Damn. That's crazy. I gotta get one for sure. It's so crazy looking. Fuck. I love them. I love it. Got my bumper off, seen in the last video. This finally broke off right here, you can see. I used to add the plastic on it and it finally gave out, so I'm gonna redo it. Also got the 6-speed extended studs. So you already have these. One of them got stripped out somehow. Like it wasn't like that before. It was one of my rear ones. I went to the tire place, tell them not to use the impact, and apparently they might have used the impact because when I took off that lug, one of them was destroyed. So I got another set of 4. Well, one will be plenty, and then I have 3 extras just in case something does happen. The only thing that sucks is that it destroyed a brand new one of my lugs, so I gotta see if one of these ones are pretty good, and yeah, toss them on. But other than that, I'm probably end the video here. I'll pick up on a lot of other stuff, like I'm working on starting on this one finally for the Mariah's car, the black one we have here. We got Chris's Gerzy bumper. So yeah, like I said, any questions, let me know now. I'll try to answer in the next video while we're gonna be painting maybe and installing them in that video, so that way I could have enough time to gather some information. We're painting up his valve covers. I didn't quite finish, ran out of paint, so that's why I kind of ended that clip, really. If I still have any of the clips when I was painting it. But yeah, so thank you for watching this video. A lot more content will be coming out very soon. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
Please come my way. I don't wanna sleep tonight. Keep me away. my shoe. Bad news in my brain cell. I think I'm okay, but I can't tell. Bad news in my brain cell. I think I'm okay, but I can't tell. What fine China blunts with the porcelain smoke. Nowadays there's no shortage on the poor man's bones. Look around, see the game, take it in. What you say? Too much death in my veins. I can't live off what you think. Sash.